In this group module section, we'll explore things such as the unique things you can demand from a collector. Demanding from a collector has a different set of parameters than demanding from a creditor. An assignment of debt is a rarely underused and super powerful demand that must either show the temporary transfer of the alleged debt and/or contract purchase of the specific alleged debt to be legally authorized to continue to pursue credit reporting and collection efforts with your specific account number and/or a matching name to be identified in the agreement with your address or date of birth and/or social security number. Notice that a phone number is not an identifiable marker. If the alleged debt was purchased, we need to see proof of the sale, and if provided, they would likely blacken out all other terms for how much it was sold for, when it took place, who facilitated the debt transfer, purchase, and more. There are brilliant tactics in here on how you can sue a collection company and how you can even notate that you are paying under duress, and then afterwards still sue the collection company, and then they have no countersuit against you, and they are then on the defense. Usually can settle these cases with extra bonus, freebies, and other ways to benefit your money, credit, in case they have other collections against you, etc. Another section in here is that we cover how to work your calendar of disputes, certified mailings, and what was said to whom and when, all your notes, emails, also on how to find the addresses, including government oversight agencies, and how to leverage your correspondence. Lastly, in this group of modules, you'll learn great techniques in labeling and organizing your dispute reasons, especially when you highlight and photocopy the reported trade line in dispute in which you're contesting. Highlighting the inaccuracy, knowing when and how to change up the disputes, can save you a lot of time. For example, if two bureaus remove that negative item, which means you can fact act the third bureau to legally force them to delete the account, as mentioned earlier, you want to include an affidavit in support of, and we have sample affidavits. This together is usually much faster in effectiveness than just sending the same dispute letters over and over again to get a deletion.
For more credit, debt, foreclosure, and more great tips, subscribe to the channel